Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for rocking with me. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's get cooking. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this creamy ice cream with just 2 ingredients. Start with 2 cups of heavy cream and half a can of Dulce de Leche. Save the rest because we will use it later. With a hand mixer, mix till it reaches stiff peak. This is a very rich and creamy ice cream everyone will enjoy, and you don't even need an ice cream maker. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to this channel. Now, in a loaf pan or freezer-safe container, pour quarter of the mixture into the pan and take a few teaspoon scoops of the Dulce de Leche and spread it over the mixture. With a knife, make a swirl, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Repeat these steps till everything is finished. Cover with a plastic wrap and freeze up to 6 hours or overnight. When ready, serve in a bowl, or you can use an ice cream cone, and enjoy! Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.